Hello, it's Rosebud, and in today's video I will be making a homemade face mask to lighten and brighten your face. The mask will also exfoliate the skin, but before I start I'm going to steam my face with hot water to open up my pores, and this also helps revitalise tired skin. So I do love to steam my face once in a while. I'm going to add fresh rosemary herbs to the water, which is a rich source of antioxidants to open up my pores, and this also helps revitalise tired skin. Rosemary also comes in oil form, which can help protect skin cells from damage often caused by the sun. It has a lot of health benefits and it smells nice as well. Right, I'm going to rub my face with lemon to brighten up the skin. Lemons also has antibacterial properties, making them a natural alternative to treat acne. Simply slice open a lemon and rub it across your face, or you can add a few drops of honey and apply it directly to the affected area to remove blackheads. It also lightens dark spots and blemishes. Okay, I have done a few videos of me doing the lemon and baking soda treatment on my face and hands, which does help lighten up my skin and dark areas on my face. It also helps acne, scars and marks. So the lemon juice, citric acid gradually fades spots and evens your skin tone. Do be cautious though if you do have any open wounds or cuts, as this will sting. Also, lemon is good for oily skin. It will reduce the shine on your face by swiping a cotton pad with lemon on. So you can do this before you go to bed. Wash your face in the morning to prevent unoily skin. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a small bowl, and I'm going to add a drop or two of lemon juice. Stir together to form a paste like this, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. This will sting at first but will fade away after a bit. This type of face mask is not to be used regularly, maybe once a week or twice a month, especially if you've got sensitive skin. However, if you've got oily skin, you can use it more often. Also, lemon juice can reduce wrinkles, fade scars and brighten your skin. The gritty texture of the baking soda works as an exfoliator to clean out your pores. When these two are mixed together, you get an easy homemade scrub and does the work of several products. To soothe chapped lips, just apply over the lips. The lemon juice will remove any dead skin cells so that your lipstick goes on smoother. I'm going to leave the mask to dry on my face for approximately 25 minutes. Baking soda is also good at whitening your teeth, but be warned, by combining the two ingredients together can damage your teeth, as the lemon juice has a pH of about 2, meaning it's very acidic. So as you can see, it has completely dried and I'm now ready to wash it off and show you the results. Actually, I'm not going to wash it off straight away. What I'm going to do first is rub it off, as this will help circulate the blood flow around my face and help exfoliate the skin, removing the dead skin cells, as I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to go to the bathroom, and over a bath I'm going to remove this face mask, as it's going to be less messier to do it that way, and then wash off with warm water. Okay, so gently rubbing the mask off my face in a circular motion. You don't want to rub too hard, especially around the eye area. I'm mainly focusing on the cheeks, chin, forehead, neck area. Okay, so once I've got most of it off with warm water, my skin feels really smooth to the touch and it looks lighter. My skin tone is more balanced, more brighter. It has definitely removed my dead skin cells. The only problem with this type of face mask is it will strip away oils in your skin. It's very good for oily skin types. It can help reduce spots, blackheads. Also, if you want to lighten your skin, it's also good for that. So after you use this face mask, try to avoid direct sunlight, as this will damage your skin, as the skin will be more delicate and sensitive. So now I'm going to protect my skin by using good old Nivea cream, which is a cheap but effective face cream, especially if you have dry skin. It comes in a 200ml bottle for under £5 and will last a very long time. It's an everyday face cream. You don't need a lot of it. It's thick and rich. It's a rich moisture. I particularly like to use it before I go to bed, as it can be quite heavy for going out, especially under makeup. However, I do love to use it around the house. It's very good for dry skin as well. It does leave my skin soft and supple. Okay, that's it for this video. Please leave a like if you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next beauty tip video, which will be coming out soon. So click on the notification bell if you want to be notified on that.